Have you ever heard someone say, "Don't spill the beans"? What do you think it means? Does it have anything to do with actual beans? Listen to these 5 examples and see if you can guess what spill the beans means. Sarah accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Don't spill the beans about our secret plan. He spilled the beans when he told everyone about their engagement. The journalist spilled the beans on the politician's hidden agenda. I can't wait to spill the beans about my new job offer. What do all these situations have in common? Let's look at a clue. Imagine someone knocking over a bowl of beans. They scatter everywhere, and there's no hiding them. What do you think the idiom means when used in conversation? Spill the beans means to reveal a secret or tell information that was supposed to be kept private. It's often used when someone accidentally shares a surprise or important news. And now let's try a quick quiz. Which sentence uses spill the beans correctly? A. She spilled the beans about the surprise wedding. B. He spilled the beans on the floor while cooking. C. They spilled the beans into the garden for planting. The correct answer is A. She revealed a secret about the wedding. Here are a few other ways to say spill the beans. Let the cat out of the bag to reveal a secret. Give the game away to accidentally reveal a plan. Divulge, a formal way to say reveal information. Confess, to admit or tell something private. Now it's your turn. Can you write your own sentence using spill the beans? Post it in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more idioms like this one, check out our playlist and subscribe for new lessons.